here in the Trolley 150. It was part of the H&F trolley system. When Frederick County Public Library System came to the town and said, hey, we think we have the ability to fund a new library in town. We've been wanting one for about 2 decades. Each town sort of gets to think about and have some input on the theme. Our town's theme has always been and was immediately responded that we wanted to be a trolley-oriented theme. The problem was we didn't have a trolley. We were able to secure the trolley in its current condition and bring it down to this property where the library now sits. And we actually put a building up around it once it got down here because there was no way to put it into a building. But the difficulty was, for us, there aren't a lot of folks that sort of work on these things anymore or know a lot about them. And so, we had to sort of root and find different professionals, different artistic professionals in different fields, whether it be woodwork or metalwork or canvas or historic paraphernalia, and then sat idle. And the difficulty for us was to sort of discern, what was original, what wasn't original, when we got it. How do we find things to restore it to as close to original as possible? We wanted to make it as safe as possible. So, you take something from 80 years ago and you try and convert it into, today's standards of permissible safety for accessibility and things. Go to most of the trolleys and they're gone by now.